Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply save YouTube video for watch later on your PC. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about YouTube topics like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, I want to watch this particular video for a later. So click on the video. So I will click on the video. Then it's going to show like this. Next thing you want to do here, you can see that here there is no watch for later section here. What you need to do is to simply click on this particular three dots right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on save right here, and you have different options. Simply click on watch later. Once you click on watch later, you can see save to watch later. It's that simple. So anytime you want to watch the particular video again, what you need to do is to head over to your channel and check on your watch later. How do you do that?